Hi, I'm Stewart Campbell, co-founder of LoadedTV.com, and I want to explain to you why you should be live streaming your event live online. More than 75% of people watching this are not meeting a basic customer need. In this day and age, consumers expect that if they can't attend an event in person, it is going to be available live online. And if you are not already streaming your events or planning on streaming them, you are falling behind and your competitors are beating you. So the future of events is that every event is going to be available live online. Now, the numbers that back this up are remarkable. 80% of people would rather watch live video than read a tweet or read a blog post or read drivel on Facebook. But this is a number Mark Zuckerberg has produced and he is focused on. Live video has 8 times the engagement of recorded video. So you have 2 choices. You can have your customers passively engage with your brand for 5 minutes watching something, or you can have your customers and potential customers actively engage for 40 minutes. Engaged in a live conversation and sharing an experience with hundreds and thousands of people who are watching as well. It's very powerful stuff, right? Now, interestingly, more than 40% of people who watch live video online are willing to pay for it. They will buy a subscription, they will pay a pay-per-view fee, but they have one simple expectation. We've all been raised on television, so we expect all of our video to look like television, to have TV production quality, and they expect no matter what video they are watching on whatever device they are watching it on, that the live video experience looks like television. The number one question I get when people are thinking of getting their brand online or streaming their next event, aren't I going to cannibalize my ticket sales? That couldn't actually be further from the truth. The reality is that 2/3 of people who watch an event live online are more likely to buy a ticket to the event the next time it occurs. Now that's pretty cool stuff. Live video delivers tangible, concrete ROI. It drives ticket sales. It drives brand engagement. It increases purchase intent. These are hard numbers you can point to when deciding whether to invest the money in streaming your event and making live video part of your marketing and communications and employee mix. Now, the future of live video in a lot of ways is similar to social media. You have to push the right content to the right channel at the right time, and you have to create different content for different channels. So if you are launching a rocket ship that is going to go to Mars, you are going to want to push that everywhere to reach the broadest possible audience. But other times, what you create for your website or your intranet or your mobile app or Snap, Twitch, Twitter, it's all got to be different, and that's an investment you have to make. Now, the barriers to going live have fallen dramatically. People are always concerned historically about the cost and complexity of it all. It's really scary to have cameras, switches, a lot of equipment to figure out how to produce a live show. But companies like ours have turned the TV truck into little handheld devices. So the math is really, really simple. If you are just hosting a live event, you are not sharing it with the world. You are leaving money on the table. You are trapping all that value you are creating in a box. Customers are expecting that every event is available live online. When I said that at the very start of this video, we all get very disappointed when you want to see something and you can't just find a URL and watch it. Live video drives real ROI. It sells tickets, it increases purchase intent, and now a company like LoadedTV.com with the know-how and the equipment can make it super easy for you to produce and drive your live video wherever your customers, and to control all your live video content from one place, but reach your audience wherever they are located. Now, last but not least, LoadedTV.com will produce the TV quality experience that audiences expect while also making it more affordable than ever before for you, the client. I really appreciate and thank you for watching. And if you have any questions about live streaming your next event, contact us today, team@loadedtv.com.